Good morning, and here's your Modern Wall Street wake-up call on this, a Tuesday, March 17th, 2020, St. Patrick's Day. U.S. stock index futures and pre-market trade in exchange-traded funds pointing to a bounce on Tuesday following the Dow Jones Industrial's third worst day ever. Trading overnight, very volatile, with futures giving back more than 1,000 points as investors continue to weigh the uncertain economic impact of the coronavirus. Overnight futures, the latest to see a lot of volatility as computer trading continues to run wild right here on Wall Street during the coronavirus market. Those wild moves coming after President Donald Trump tweeted the United States will be powerfully supporting those industries like airlines and others that are particularly affected by the Chinese virus. We will be stronger than ever before. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P 500 having their worst day since the Black Monday crash of 1987 yesterday, falling 12.9% and 12% respectively. It was also the Dow Jones' third worst day ever. The NASDAQ had its biggest one-day plunge ever, down 12.3%. This morning we continue to see more reports, this time from Politico, that Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin will ask congressional lawmakers for a stimulus package of $850 billion or more to help the U.S. economy grapple with the impact of the coronavirus. At least 4,281 cases confirmed in the United States, along with more than 70 deaths. This according to data from Johns Hopkins University. And President Donald Trump also said the crisis could stretch into August, adding the administration may look at locking down certain areas. Biotech giant Regeneron, meanwhile, saying that it is aiming to have doses of a potential drug for COVID-19 ready to start human clinical trials by early this summer. The announcement, representing a marked acceleration in the company's drug timeline, sparking a 10% rally in the company's equity and pre-market trade. The S&P 500 closing Monday at its lowest level since December 2018, the Dow ending the session at its lowest levels not seen since early 2017. And lastly, some advice: even though you're at home with family, try your best to celebrate St. Patrick's Day.